that is bright. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. It's currently 7:40 in the morning on a Monday morning, and I thought I would show you my morning routine. If I'm in university at 9 AM, we do a very, very quick version of this. However, this would be my full length morning routine if on a day like today, I'm not in university until slightly later in the morning and I have time to get things done. So when I wake up, the first thing that I do every single day, which is really bad for you, I know, is go on my phone and just scroll through Instagram and TikTok. However, I film my YouTube videos on my phone. What I should be doing instead at this time in the morning is waking up and reading a book to kind of like gently ease myself into the day and put myself in a good mindset. So we're going to do that today, but bear in mind that normally this step would actually be me scrolling through TikTok and Instagram. I completely forgot to say, but I'm actually reading V's book because I saw her on Saturday and she very, very kindly gave me a signed copy of her book. I've been wanting to read this for ages, I just haven't got around to ordering it, so I was really pleased that she gave me a copy. And I've started reading it this morning and I'm really enjoying it so far. However, now I've done a bit of reading, I'm going to go on a run, I think. I am training for triathlon. Those of you who've seen the 2022 goals video will know this. So I have quite a lot of exercise in my routine at the moment. I don't entirely know how far I'm going to run. Yesterday was Sunday, so that was rest day, and then the day before I did some running. I'm feeling a little bit stiff in my shoulders, but like otherwise I feel fine. So yeah, I'm going to go and get my running stuff on and then get going. And then at some point this morning I need to tidy my room because it's an absolute state this morning. And I cannot go into the rest of Monday with my room looking an absolute tip. Like there's half a banana on my desk, there's dirty plates everywhere, there's clothes all over the floor. Like the weekend has really caught up with me here. I'm up, I've done a weather check, it's cold today, so I'm gonna put on this long sleeve top. I still need to roughly come up with a route. I tend to run, on a Monday I tend to run to St Paul's Cathedral and then go on from St Paul's, maybe across the river or maybe further down, it depends on how I'm feeling, to go St Paul's, across the river, all the way along the river to university, and then back up the road by university to my accommodation. That's 6 kilometres, and 6 kilometres takes me roughly 40 minutes. It is currently 8:48, I don't know if you can actually see that, it's too blurry. I have a meeting at 10 AM this morning, which is why I'm like working out times, because I need to be back for that. It's my Empowered by V whole team meeting that I've got first thing this morning, and then I have my social media on Tuesday, but that's irrelevant information for this video. Anyway, so I've got to be back at 10 AM or by 10 AM, so I've got just over an hour, but by the time I faffed about and left and tied my hair up and everything, it's gonna be an hour. I ended up doing 10 kilometres, which is crazy even for me on a Monday morning, because I have swim later and I'm still gonna have to go to swim. Anyway, it's now 3 minutes past 10, so I am late for my meeting. I'm gonna have to go and jump on it like this.
Stephanie and Jenny are gonna start sending things out for work. Make sure that everyone's just keeping happy and not overworking themselves at all.
And just like that, my meeting is done. It never actually lasts the whole hour. Oh, I've had a message. Look at this, what a mess. So that is the next job. I'm gonna have some breakfast. I'm gonna reply to some like urgent admin emails because I mean, this is not a normal morning routine where I would normally have like an email to reply to about an interview, but I'm meant to be having an interview on Thursday, but I can't make it. So I've asked them to move it and they want to do it this afternoon. So I need to reply to them urgently and say, yeah, that's fine. And then I've also got to reply to a couple of messages just following on from that meeting that we had. To be honest, task number one is to eat because I am now starving. I ran 10 kilometers. I don't know if I said that on the way in, but I did not expect to do that much. I was going to do 2 or 3. and then I just kept running and I got lost, so that's why it ended up being so long. Today I'm going to have oats. I haven't had oats in ages actually. I've been having eggs on toast for the last few days, but I fancy a bit of a change. And also my protein powder sachets arrived the other day. So I'm going to try this chocolate brownie flavoured one. It's not the most appetizing looking breakfast, but I'm hungry, so I'll eat anything at this point. There are a couple of things that are missing from this video. The first one is Pret. I am obsessed with Pret. If you've watched any of my other videos, you will know this. We are gonna head there now. It is actually 11:30. It's kind of embarrassing how long this is all taking this morning. But yeah, it's 11:30, so I'm gonna head down to Pret. I've got work at 2 p.m, but before that I haven't got anything on. So I need to go and get on with some work, really. Did my work in Pret, got bored, we're going on a walk. This is also very, very part of my normal morning routine. So I'm going to meet Maddie, and Maddie's friend is here at the moment, so we're going to meet her and we'll go on a walk, maybe to Marleybone. But yeah, make the most of the nice weather today. It is now 1:30 and I feel like now might be the time that we have to end the video. We're still on our walk. I think we're gonna go and get some lunch now. As ever, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel down below to see more similar university content from me, and I will see you next time with a new video. Bye!